Welcome to Stretch Align Move by Fazila. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Stay blessed.
Let's start with some breathing techniques. Let's first start with the victorious breath. That's a deep breath, or the Ujjayi pranayam. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position, or if you want, you can get into the Vajrasana. Okay. Now we take a deep breath. So a deep breath in and a deep breath out. You can put one hand on your chest and the other on the stomach. As you breathe in, take a deep breath from your stomach and the chest. Breathe out. The stomach goes in. Breathe in to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's get to the count of 1 is to 2. Inhale 1, exhale 2. So breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With a regular practice, you can even go after inhalation. You can hold the breath and exhale to the count of 2. So inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with Kapalbhati, or the skull shining breathing technique. You can sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. If you want, you can sit in Vajrasana. Or if you cannot sit down, you can just simply sit in a chair, whatever suits you. So sitting in a cross-legged comfortable position, shoulders straight, rolled behind, eyes relaxed, your hands on your knees. You can take a deep breath in and exhale and start. You have to concentrate on forceful exhalations. So you can put your left hand on your stomach and just keep exhaling forcefully. Breathe through your nose forcefully. To the count of 10, take a deep inhale and exhale for a retainer breath and start again. Deep breath, retainer and exhale. And the third round again. Start. For the Kapalbhati. Let's start with Anulom Vilom, or the alternate nostril breathing. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position, or if you want, you can sit in the Vajrasana, or simply in a chair if you cannot sit down. So sitting in a cross-legged comfortable position, shoulders relaxed, eyes relaxed. Okay. The right hand, you have to close the middle finger and the index finger, and close your right nostril with your thumb. You can take a deep inhale from from the left nostril. Inhale and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left side. This is one round of Anulom Vilom. You can do it one more time. Inhale through the left nostril, exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril and exhale from the left one. Let's do it one more time. Inhale through the left nostril, exhale through the right nostril, inhale through the right nostril and exhale to the left side. Let's do the Brahmari breath or the hummingbee breath. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position, shoulders relaxed, eyes relaxed. With both your hands, with the thumb, close your ears, the index finger on your forehead. You can close the eyes gently with your middle finger, the ring finger by the nostrils and the little finger by your mouth. Take a deep breath, don't press the nostrils, and when you exhale with a sound, you can exhale completely. It's like a resonating sound. Inhale, no pressure on the nostrils. Exhale with a sound like a humming bee. Exhale completely. One more time. Inhale. Exhale with a sound.